Little buses belong on the ground, not in the air!
Teo, look! The Aero Glider wings are ready! Wow, Hana! They're glowing with energy! With these, you'll glide through the sky. I can't wait to try! I don't know if I can do it. Don't worry, Lonnie. Look at this chart. A trajectory chart? For me? Yes, it shows you can make it. Okay, I'll try.
Welcome everyone to the big race at Riverside Stadium. Here comes Teo leading the pack. The crowd is going wild. Keep going, Teo. Oh, yo, quick these. 2, 2, 1, walkies, go!